The power of core workouts. Your journey to a robust core begins here. To sculpt those abs and unlock a well-defined six-pack, incorporate this core workout into your routine 2 to 3 times weekly. These routines, including mountain climbing and plank hopping, as well as lower ab exercises such as leg lowers, flutters, and standing knee to hands, are your path to a stronger core. Why a strong core matters. Beyond aesthetics, a sturdy core contributes to better posture, stability, and equilibrium. It also lowers the risk of sports-related injuries and alleviates low back pain. A strong core can even simplify daily activities like climbing stairs or sitting at a desk for extended periods. Home-based A-flat and core workouts. The best part? You don't need a gym membership to fortify your core. Most ab-targeting exercises can be performed in the comfort of your home. Here, we present 10 best core workouts at home with comprehensive step-by-step instructions for each. Ache. Side crunched on medicine ball. Muscles targeted. Lower abs. Do. Leg lower or leg raises. Muscle targeted. Lower abs. Teen. Russian twist. Muscle targeted. Obliques. Char. Standing knee to hands. Muscle targeted. Lower abs. Panch. Standing oblique crunch or sumo standing. Muscle targeted. Obliques. Chair. Twisting mountain climbing. Muscle targeted. Oblique. Sat. Flutter kicks. Muscle targeted. Upper abs. Art. Knee tuck crunches. Muscle targeted. Total core. No. Bicycle crunches. Muscle targeted. Total core. Thus, mountain climbing. Muscles targeted. Mountain climbing primarily targets your core muscles, including the abdominal muscles, obliques, and lower back. Gyara. Plank. Muscles targeted. The plank primarily targets your core muscles, including the rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, and obliques. Bara. Plank hopping. Muscles targeted. Sad face. Plank hopping primarily targets your core muscles, including your abdominal muscles and obliques. It also engages your shoulder and leg muscles to stabilize your body during the exercise. For complete guidelines like how to do these workouts and what's the tips, please follow the link in descriptions for complete guidelines.